Slider Windows installation in West Columbia, South Carolina, offers a seamless blend of functionality and style, making them a popular choice for both residential and commercial properties. Our professional Slider Windows West Columbia installers ensure a perfect fit and finish, enhancing the aesthetic appeal and energy efficiency of your home or business. Energy-efficient windows in South Carolina are essential for reducing energy costs and maintaining a comfortable indoor environment. Our custom window solutions in West Columbia, South Carolina, include a variety of insulated window options designed to keep your home cool in the summer and warm in the winter, contributing to significant energy savings. Custom Slider Windows West Columbia solutions cater to the unique needs of each client, offering a wide range of styles and materials. Whether you need vinyl window options or double-hung windows in South Carolina, our window design consultation services will help you choose the perfect fit for your property. Window replacement services in West Columbia are crucial for maintaining the integrity and appearance of your home. Our affordable window services in South Carolina provide high-quality window glass replacement and window frame replacement, ensuring your windows are both functional and visually appealing. Vinyl window options in West Columbia, South Carolina, are a durable and cost-effective choice for homeowners looking to upgrade their windows. These windows offer excellent insulation and require minimal maintenance, making them a popular choice for residential window services in the area. Double-hung windows in South Carolina are a classic choice for homeowners seeking a blend of traditional style and modern functionality. Our window replacement experts in West Columbia, South Carolina, can assist with any necessary replacements or upgrades to ensure your windows operate smoothly and efficiently. Window replacement experts in West Columbia, South Carolina, are available to address any issues with your windows, from minor replacements to complete replacements. Our window maintenance services in West Columbia ensure your windows remain in top condition, extending their lifespan and enhancing their performance. Residential window services in West Columbia focus on providing homeowners with high-quality, energy-efficient windows that enhance the comfort and value of their homes. Our window sealing services in West Columbia, South Carolina, help prevent drafts and improve insulation, contributing to lower energy bills. Commercial window solutions in West Columbia, South Carolina, are designed to meet the specific needs of businesses, offering a range of options from sliding glass windows to window tinting. Our professional window installers in West Columbia ensure a flawless installation that enhances the appearance and functionality of your commercial space. Window maintenance services in West Columbia are essential for keeping your windows in optimal condition. Regular window cleaning services in West Columbia, South Carolina, and window weatherproofing in South Carolina help protect your investment and ensure your windows continue to perform at their best. Sliding glass windows in South Carolina provide a modern and sleek look for any property, offering easy operation and excellent ventilation. Our Slider Windows West Columbia style upgrades include a variety of options to suit any taste and budget, ensuring your windows complement your home's design.